Here is a Kia Sedona, and that's where the bulb is. In order to access it, we have to open up the hatch. So let's go ahead, open up the hatch. Now there's no way to access the bulb from inside here, so we have to get the light out. And in order to do that, you will need a flathead screwdriver and a 10mm socket ratchet combination to get the two bolts out which are holding the light in place. First get the screwdriver and put it right over there in that slot. There are two slots, put it right over there and then pry this cover outwards. There's one clip over there and there's another clip right at the bottom there. And there's another slot, put the screwdriver there and pry that clip off and it'll come loose. Good. At this point just put your hand right there behind it and then grab it, twist it a little bit and then pull it out. It'll come right out. Those are the two clips that we took off using the screwdriver, and these two tabs, they go in there, 1 and 2. Good. Now set it aside. And now let's go ahead and get those 10mm bolts off using the socket ratchet combination. Take them out and keep them somewhere safe. Now grab the light and first just rock it loose. It's gonna slide out straight to the back, but first rock it loose. And now we will try and slide it out. Again, rock it and then slide again, back and forth, it'll come off. That's the bulb holder for the parking light. Just grab it and twist it left. It's a little bit hard to get your hand in there, so be patient. It's gonna take a couple seconds to get it loose. You just have to twist it left a little bit and now it's loose, and you'll be able to get the bulb holder out of the light. It may be stuck on there and you may have to wiggle it loose, but it'll come off. There you go. To get the bulb out, just grab the bulb and then pull it out straight. You may have to wiggle the bulb, but it'll come right out. And it comes off. The bulb number is 194. Check the link in the description to buy the new bulb from Amazon for yourself, and then get the new bulb and push it down back in there to secure it. And now let's put it back in the light, and this is where you have to be patient because it may take you a few seconds of twisting and turning before the bulb holder sits in flush and drops in. And now that's good. At this point you can twist your right to lock it, and you may have to use both your hands and like opposing thumbs and fingers to be able to grab it there and then twist your right. Good. That is looking good. Now it's locked in place. Now 1 and 2, that's where those two pins go. Two holes where the bolts go in, and this cutout goes on that clip there. So get this light back in place and focus on the front edge where that cutout was. Just keep some pressure on it while you're pushing the light inwards, so that prevents it from just sliding out and sticking out. Good. Now let's just get those bolts back in and then let's tighten them down one by one. And now let's get that plastic trim piece. Let's just focus on those two tabs, get them in position and push it in, and those two little clips that we took out using the screwdriver, just press them back in, and that is pretty much it. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.